Poppy here. This is Caffeine BS for July 12th, 2019. Yesterday, the two 6-inch DROs I ordered, eye gauging DROs I ordered, arrived. I did the thought exercise, holding the actual units against the machine until I could hear gears grinding and smoke was coming out my ears. Then I knew that I was awake. I figured out how I'm going to attach all three of those DROs to my milling machine. I had, the longitudinal figured out last week when the 12-inch arrived, because I ordered it last week. Now, I wasn't too sure if I was going to be able to DRO my shear line milling machine. It's small. And the eye gauging DROs I bought are like the smallest. If they're smaller, I don't know about them. If they exist and they have a tighter resolution and it costs less than eye gauging, let me know about it. Otherwise, the eye gauging 6-inch DROs arrived yesterday and I did the thought exercise. So tomorrow I get out and I start manufacturing the back bracketry. That's going to be so much fun. Yes, it is. How to attach fill metal